I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable biometric login on Samsung Pay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your device. This is usually found in your app drawer or on your home screen. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines of the menu icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Then select Settings from the list. Step 3. Go to Security. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option and tap on it. This is where you can manage your biometric settings. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Before changing your settings, use the s-shock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling biometric login, exit the settings and return to the main screen of Samsung Pay. Make sure the changes are saved by attempting to log in again. If you forget to save your changes, you might still be prompted for biometric login the next time you open the app. Just double check that the toggle is off. I hope this helps you manage your Samsung Pay settings. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.